Hey, welcome back to Node Expert. In today's video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about setting up a grass node, its benefits, and how you can earn with it. Let's jump right in. To get this paid, use the referral link provided in the description. Follow the simple sign-up process. Write your email, your username, your password, confirm your password, and here the referral code will be automatically filled. Just leave it as it is. Click the first box, I agree to the terms and conditions. You may leave the second one, which is not important. Then check this box, proving that you are not a robot. After that, this button will turn green and click to register. They will send you a code to your email. Go there and verify your email. After verifying your email address, go directly to the store section. Here you will be able to download the Grass desktop app. Click on download, then choose your operating system from here and click on download again. Wait for the download to finish and then set it up. After setting up your Grass application, you will be prompted with this small window. Click on connect. Meanwhile, you are connected now to the Grass node community. Here's your network quality and here to refresh your earnings. Now I am at 10,420 uh, epoch points, which will then be converted to Grass points in the next airdrop, but it's not known when will it be. The previous one, it took about 12 months, it's one whole year, but it made some good profits for some people. Like if some people made about 500,000 points, epoch points, and they got from it like 100 to up to $300. Like it's just running in your computer background. You are not losing anything, no much power usage, no much CPU usage, and no much data usage. That's it. Setting up a Grass node is super easy and you can start earning rewards almost immediately. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto and node guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in the next video. Bye.